Yes, guys, what's up? What's up? Welcome to our next video from River Stream TV. You see it? Yes, guys. So make sure, first thing first, make sure you wanna subscribe because we're gonna have a lot of video coming out. Yeah, we'll have some street prank, we're gonna do some bang up on the streets. Yeah. And we're gonna do some more constant market video and some more constant videos in. So guys, make sure you subscribe to get them. So watch it now guys. The video idea is I'm gonna show you some things where my dad did I get if she was alive, she didn't ever. So simple one word was this. So we're showing now guys, so we'll get another video. Yes guys, this is one of the things and big up to mother in England, you know, send all of them things that come give me. Yeah, sure, can buy them and make sure our grandchild alright. You see it? Look that. Yeah man, even though me need buy some of the things and I will use too. I'm more big up to Paige and my sister Shawnee's to send some things from me to for the baby. So we will show you all of them. So we will show you them and put them back in the barrel. So look for yeah, so this is the first one. Look nice. Watch out. River Island. Nice. So put that one in the barrel. Yeah, we have this one nice something that we made it by Jamaica. Nice stuff. Yeah. Wow. Some nice clothes. See? Nice River Island. Okay, we have a couple of them. We'll show you everything. Go and take it. Alright, something else. Nice. Mini River Island. And you have the bottom feet. Yes, the bottom feet. See that suit. Nice. Show it back to the world. This now my first Christmas. Pretty cute. Yeah. Yes guys, and I will be back in my show, you know, I'm going to show you them fast. Got to go take up more than half up on this video. This hat look nice though, look. Nice, look at that. Yeah. Next look at that, nice. That's socks, that's socks. I have all for socks. I have different type. Look at these socks. We have a next door, maybe buy 3 of them. So yeah, we see the one them my mother sent me. See it? We have this. This look nice. Now, guys, this is a suit. This is the top part, right? Nice material. This guys, so sweet. Nice little baby like this. Don't. Yeah. I know people like love them baby clothes. Yeah. But this guys, look at this. It's nice. River Island. And love my mother, you know? Them things like that, whenever she, yeah, get them. Even though we could work and buy, it still good. You know? This look like nice. Lion them on it. And guys, my family move fast because enough for me to run through. Show me everything and show me. Watch it again. So cute. Little island. Nice. Material and nice funny. Yeah. It's a lot. This that but nice. Let's put some soup here. We'll find that button for this and show you. Right? Look at this, guys. This is nice. Yeah. Let's check the River Island. Nice, though, guys. This, no people that want this to them, baby, though. Cute. Look at this. That is little boss. Look at it. Nice. And I love the England baby clothes. Because when I see them in Jamaica, when I see them there about clothes here in Jamaica, when I see the baby them in them clothes here in Jamaica. See me? Baby in a nice clothes in Jamaica. When I see them type there. Yeah, so I love them type there. Them come from England, so if they see them, I like them. If they have anybody in England, you can make them buy them for you. Yes, it's somebody that really buy them. They come from Jamaica. Wow, cute. Look at that. Yes, guys, no statue on here. What's that one? The faster. Guys. Juvla, the babies. This
body going to show. No, I reach the could even start showing them good. Fast now. Watch this. Nice. Oh, look at this. It's cute. Here, look at it, same design. In the background, okay? Yes guys, I'm very sorry for the noise in the background because that's a greater man beside me just next door my house. He's making greater. I don't know if you know what is greater, what he's making greater, you know? So sorry for the noise guys. Thank you. Look what inside of it. Oh, so nice with my look at it guys. It's so neat and pretty and nice. Look at that. Look at that. Inside of the ball pink. See that? Big people that wear it still is a baby bug.
Yeah. It's cute. It's very cute. Got this two-piece. This is a hot wonderful. These are slippers. And I will eat more things in there, guys. I'll sell out some of them. You see me? Some of them are the same thing. I'm going to sell out the same things. Then, you know? And the next one. Because I was too big. So now, two I see it. Is it? This is for the nice. Cute. These are some little socks. Very nice. Top. These are some towels they may immediately buy them. Then for socks, these are socks, baby socks. This is my sister sent this from America. This comes from America. This is carrier for the kangaroos. Yeah. Comes from America. My sister, so we love my sister for this. We love the page with this. Thanks you guys. Thank you so much, guys. This come with the carrier something. This is how it's here. This is how the carrier baby them with it. This is how much ways they can carry them with it. And see that what we can see. Top to toe wash baby product. And then the sprays, powders, sodas, bottles. These are bottles that me buying Jamaica. This is water filter teethers. These bucket. Powders, treatment for the baby.
can see what it might be. I have to put so much show, no? You can't put everything. Guys, I think that is the end of the video. So thanks for watching, and I will show you some more things that we sell on the road. No show how we sell them on the road. So stay tuned for that. And guys, don't worry, I'm not put on a video now because I'm about a lot of people come out. So I'm big enough to subscribe so that you can see video there. Guys, big up, I'm out. Yes guys, whole heap of baby things. See? Enough. Plus them next one they will make a show, you know. Yeah? So I have to give thanks to my mother for them. Yeah, I have to give thanks to my mother. Big up my mother. Yeah. Enough clothes, she said no baby. And them look good thing at the front, but just sell them on some big people thing. River Island. Yeah guys.